The best video editing application for Android is designed to offer a seamless and user-friendly experience, making it ideal for both beginners who are just starting their editing journey and seasoned editors looking for advanced tools. This application boasts a wide array of features that include essential functions such as trimming, cutting, and merging video clips, which allows users to craft their content in a way that feels fluid and cohesive. It supports a variety of video formats, ensuring versatility in editing, and provides multiple editing tools like filters, transitions, and text overlays, enabling users to add a unique touch to their videos and enhance their visual storytelling effectively. Furthermore, the application often incorporates music integration options, which allow users to easily add background music or voiceovers, significantly enriching the auditory experience of their videos. Many of these applications come equipped with a library of royalty-free music and sound effects, giving users a vast selection to choose from, which can elevate the overall quality of their projects. With an intuitive design that facilitates smooth navigation through different editing functions, users can quickly familiarize themselves with the app, making it easy to produce professional-looking videos directly from their mobile devices without the steep learning curve often associated with more complex software. Additionally, this application typically offers direct sharing options to various social media platforms, ensuring that users can effortlessly showcase their creative works to a broader audience, thereby enhancing their engagement and reach.